How to register Remitly. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can register a Remitly account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to register on Remitly, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Remitly application here. And once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to be able to see this sort of interface where what you need to do is tap on create a new profile. So now just select from which country you want to send money, to which country you would like to send the money to. After you've done that, you can just tap the next option here. Once you tap on next, first of all you can just go ahead and make sure to enter the email address you would like to use for your Remitly account, and you can also go ahead and then enter the password. Once you've done that, just tap the join Remitly option and you'll get successfully signed up for Remitly. If you want to sign in, if you already have an account, you can also tap the sign in option to do so. This way you'll be able to register in Remitly. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.